Does your business, whether a moving company or something else, use a box truck? If so, you or your employees cannot operate the trucks unless you have a box truck authority. This form of operating authority must be generated by the FMCSA, Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration. This way, you can have all the legal right to transport goods for delivery purposes and cross specific boundaries. Box truck authority applies to almost any commercial transportation vehicle that weighs over 10,000 pounds, such as a standard moving truck. Depending on the services that your business provides, there are 5 separate types of trucking authority from the FMCSA that you might need. First, there's a motor carrier authority. This type of box truck authority is for any carrier that transports goods or passengers for money. You can secure this authority by completing motor carrier authorization forms via the FMCSA. The second type of box truck authority is called rental carrier authority. This is for a business that provides the transportation of goods on behalf of other companies. Next, there's a private transportation authority. It is for most private companies that transports their own in-house goods. In most cases, you'll need this authority from the FMCSA if your company uses or produces goods that get transported. The fourth type of box truck authority is known as freight forwarder authority. If you are operating a freight forwarder, this means you serve as an intermediary between a shipper and the company that's transporting goods. The fifth and final type of MCSA box truck authority is called broker authority. Brokers take care of transportation of services for money, but never transport goods on their own. Instead, they are oftentimes responsible for organizing a rental service that transports goods on behalf of their clients. Most transportation businesses, such as moving companies, must secure federal box truck authority with the FMCSA. To do so, first you'll need to apply for an MC number. MC stands for Motor Carrier. Once the agency issues a MC number, you'll have authority to cross state lines in your box truck. Next, you'll need to get a DOT number. A DOT number functions as the official FMCSA tracking number of a company using box trucks. The number gets issued by the U.S. Department of Transportation so that the government can keep up with how many trucks and drivers a carrier has. Plus, the number also serves as a record about the safety information of transportation companies. Once you file a DOT number, your business can set up a BOC-3 process agent. You will need a process agent in every state where you're operating box trucks. The purpose of an agent is to access legal documents on behalf of a transportation business. The final major step toward receiving federal box truck authority is to apply for insurance. Your carrier must set up cargo and liability insurance in order to operate. Here at FMCSAregistration.com, our third-party organization is standing by to provide you with box truck authority. Our experts can complete every single registration step in this video on your behalf. This way, your company will have the authority to operate box trucks in any state with ease. Failing to have proper registration when using box trucks can result in major fines and penalties from the U.S. government. This is why you must take the FMCSA authority process seriously. Please click the link below to learn more about setting up movers and box truck authority. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to give our organization a phone call. Our number is 866-477-0707. We look forward to serving as your go-to resource for state and federal transportation registration.